Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Mediavine for display ads and revenue growth, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Mediavine and hit Enter. Locate the Mediavine plugin from the search results. Click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. After activation, you will see the Mediavine option appear in your dashboard menu. Click on Mediavine to open the plugin settings. You may see a setup wizard prompting you to enter your Mediavine account details. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Mediavine website to apply. Once your account is created, return to the Mediavine settings in your dashboard. Input your account details as prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your site with Mediavine. After linking your account, configure your display ad settings. Choose the ad formats that you prefer for your website. Once you've made your selections, save the changes. Next, navigate to the Monetization tab in the Mediavine settings. Here, you can customize additional features that may enhance revenue. Consider setting up A/B testing for ad placements. To enable ads, check the box that states Enable Ads or similar. Review the settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now, visit your website to verify that the ads are displaying as expected. Keep an eye on your earnings dashboard on the Mediavine site. Regularly monitor performance metrics to maximize ad revenue. Update your settings as needed based on your performance insights. That completes your setup for enabling Mediavine for display ads and revenue growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.